How to create an Audible account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create an Audible account and how do you do so. The first step is to open your PC, head over to your browser and the search box, type out audible.com and then click enter, and then you'll be taken to the page where you the home page automatically, that is the website of. And so once you're on this page, you can see the Audible logo by the top left corner, and then you can see other options as well. Then move to the top right corner where you can see um the languages spoken. You can see sign up, you can see sign in. So go ahead and click on sign up. Clicking on sign up, you'll be brought to the home page where you need to create an Amazon account. So if you don't have an Amazon account, ensure you scroll down and click on create, follow the prompt, and then after creating an Amazon account, you can now click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the next page where you'd have to enter in your password. This is if you have an Amazon account already. So I'll just go ahead and enter in my password straight away. But if you are just creating an account, you would be taken to the next stage automatically, right? So you have to sign in first of all, and after signing in, you'll be taken to the Audible membership subscription page. So once you're on this page, you'd have to confirm your 30-day free trial in order for you to create an account with Audible. So just go ahead and enter in your card number, your expiration date, the year, your CVC, full name, etc., and click on try for $0.0 and you're good to go. So once you're done with that, your account will be created, and then you can go ahead to make use of your Audible account for whatever you want to use it for. So this is it. This is how you can create an account on Audible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.